Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back again. I am trying to figure it out how I'm going to deal with that front garden. It is, I can't even describe it. This was a big tree. I have to cut all this wood to make it fit right here. I hope I'm not killing those beautiful trees. I hope, Lord, have mercy. But I think now it's almost gonna fit there. And I can go and buy all of them, all of those spots to make it nice because I don't want to deal with those black pots there, but I can deal with this pot. And the good thing about this pot, the roots will find some water because this pot already saved some water for the roots if I don't have time to make sure they're good. And yeah, that's the thing. I think this going to fit right here. And I think I have 15 more of them to buy. Look at all those black pots, and then I can replace them with some nice beautiful gray pots. They can be right here. All right, friends, the video cannot be long because I have so much thing to do. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like. Have a blessed day. I will show you the result later if I make them work. Thank you, friends.